5 websites to make $100 per day in late 2019. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 websites to make $100 per day or even more in late 2019 and beyond. This is great for beginners also, and I'm going to share a few tips and tricks on how you can get started and make even more money with these websites. To find out all the details, actually all you have to do is stick with me till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any important information. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation that you can have a look at when we have finished this video, of course. But for now, let's have a look at these 5 websites that we can get started to make our $100 per day or even more. Alright, with that being said, let's get started. Okay, the first site that we are going to have a look at today is Flippa.com. What this site is all about is that you can actually flip websites, but not only websites, you can flip domains and many other business opportunities here also. So you can do it in many ways actually to get started here to make your $100 a day. You might be a good website designer. You can definitely get started, create a website from scratch, and of course post it here and sell it. Or another option is actually that you can purchase a website from someone that has done all the work for you. So let's say that you don't have any experience in designing websites and so on, and what you can do is you can actually redesign it, post some articles on it, work on it, and of course get started to sell that later on. So there is tons of opportunities that you can work with Flippa.com. You can actually just purchase the site, do something very small and just flip it around and sell it for a much higher price. So what I like about Flippa here, they do have, you can see here, let's say for example that you put in some filters with, let's say the monthly profit is for $50 here just to get started with a low site. I found this, for example here, online travel spot, which is probably, this is monetization with dropship, for example. Let's open this in a new tab just to have a quick look. Or we can have a look at this. This is also dropship. Let's scroll down a little bit. Here we have AdSense, for example. My game facts should probably be about hobbies and games. So you can see here, you can have a quick look at what type of services. This is 4 months. It does minus 15p per month in net profit. So it could be a great site. To find out all the details, you do need to sign in. I'm not logged in at the moment right now. So let's have a look at this also just to give you a quick idea. This is a 5-month site actually. So you go inside, you check out the details, and you can actually bid on this. Okay, so this is currently priced at $50. You can easily take by just having a look at it. Yeah, I can quickly see that this is a basic site, so you can do a small design here and flip it easily for $150. So there you have your $100, and you can do this in less than a day, absolutely. And of course, as I said, there is so many other opportunities that you can see here. You can filter, there are so many filter options here actually. Time remaining, for example. Let's say that you go for the last 10 hours. You can search for iOS apps, Android apps, or even domain here. So if you go here, you can see that there are so many options. Here is something, Halloween for example, which is seasoned. You can see a time left an hour. You can buy it for $199. The current price is at $95. So you can go in and bid there. Let's say that there is no other bidders. You can go in and bid for $100. Make something with it and flip it around there. So Flippa.com, definitely something that you can get started with. Let's move on to the next website, and that is Udemy.com. Udemy.com is actually a learning platform. You can basically learn anything that you can think of online here. So basically people come here, they create courses, and you don't have to, you don't need to do anything with the selling, create a platform that you need to upload. All you have to do is actually take care of the training material, create it, and of course upload it here. By just having a quick look, at the main page, you can see here that there is natural language processing with deep learning in Python. Look at this, 3,921 people has taken this course. They usually start to sell this for around $10, so I think you can just grab the calculator and you can realize that there is very, very big amounts of money that you can make here, okay? So you can see here 33,000 people has taken this course. It is actually let's see here, hands-on Tableau training for data science. So by just going have a quick look here, this guy has created 41 courses. So really there are no limits. The only thing is that you need to sit down, think what you are good at, do a research. If you can find something that people hasn't shared there, then you definitely have a big plus. Otherwise, don't reinvent the wheel. Just try to do a better course than what is already available, and you're definitely a step ahead in the game here to make some serious money on Udemy. There is some other sites like Skillshare, for example, but I think this is a great site to get started with actually regarding the online training here. All right, let's move on to the next opportunity and website, and that is clickbank.com. One of the most popular affiliate networks online, probably because they have thousands of products to promote and are very, very easy to get started with. You don't need any approvals, everything that is available online. When you have an account here, you can just go ahead and get started to promote the offers. And affiliate marketing is definitely one of the most popular, and I think it's one of the best way also to make money online with, because you don't have to deal anything with shipping, for example, creating the products. All you need to do is actually grab a link, and there are tons of ways to promote that offer. So you go, for example, to the marketplace here on Clickbank. You can see here there are so many different niches here that you can get involved in. If you already have something in hobby, for example, like green products, games, fiction, or whatever it can be, you definitely can find something in the niche here. Self-help is definitely also one of the popular niches. Health and fitness, and of course make money online there. So by just opening up health and fitness here, you can see that Cinderella solution is the most popular product right now. You can sort it by average sale, initial sale. Gravity is Clickbank's own metrics. It's more like something it sells, it is very popular, which is also a good sign. And you can see that Cinderella is the winner here also. So you go here, you can find tons of information in the affiliate section. You should have a look at it so you know what you are promoting, of course. And you also find tons of great promotion materials here. There are banners, images. All of the popular products have tons of promotion materials to help you out. There are ready-made email swipes if you're involved with email marketing, which you should be, in my opinion, no matter what niche you're involved in. So what you need to do actually is just grab the link here, promote it. You grab it, you generate a hope link. This is a long link, so you can shorten that with a URL shortener, and you can get started to promote it. It all depends, of course, in what way that you are promoting it. You can promote it with YouTube, for example, videos. You can promote it on your blog. You can write articles on free blogger platform. You can write on the WordPress platform, free again there. If you have a blog already, then it is definitely a big plus. You can insert banners there. You can do it with Facebook. So, there are no limits. Instagram also very popular. There are so many ways to work with affiliate marketing actually. So that is about Clickbank. Now, regarding affiliate marketing, I also like Amazon.com. I have done, of course, videos about this. You can have a look at it on how to get started with Amazon. If you're totally new, just do a search here on my channel. And the big plus here with Amazon is that there are millions of products that you can promote. There is also another great benefit, and it is the 24-hour cookie. So what that means is that if let's say that you are promoting this watch here, you grab the link and you're promoting it. Now what is interesting is that if someone clicks that link and goes to Amazon but doesn't purchase the watch but instead purchases this one, then you will make a commission for that too. Or let's say that he purchased this watch, you get a commission for that, but he also finds that he needs this cable, so you get a commission for that too. That is really nice with a 24-hour cookie. Have a look at my video for more in detail actually on how you can make money with Amazon. And there is of course a lot of ways that you can promote it. Here is the same. You can just let's say for example this watch, you can do a review video on YouTube, rank it high, people are searching for reviews all the time, and you can have your link in there also. So have a look at the video, as I said, if you're interested in have a look at the Amazon affiliate marketing. But let's move on here to the fifth site that you can get started to make money, and that is a freelance site with Fiverr.com. Fiverr.com doesn't only mean $5 because there are tons of gigs here that you can make even more money. And here are no limits, to be honest, because it totally depends on your skills here, okay? I mean, you can do translation, you can do transcription, you can do data entry, for example, you can do videos, audio editing. There are really no limits. Just think what you are really good at, or that you are decent good at. You don't have to be an expert actually to get started here. So by just having a quick look here at data entry, you can see here that there is so many people that are inside here. Now if you're good at, for example, real estate research or something, you can see here it starts at 14. This is approximately around $15 US. But if I open it, I can guarantee you that there is also upsells. There we have it. You can see 28, this is $30 US, and 66 should be around $70 US here. So don't limit yourself that it is only 14 or $5, I'm sorry. And what else is there? I mean, you can do some video editing. You see here it starts for $130, approximately at $150 here. So as I said, it totally depends on your skills there. And to give you a bonus site here also, what you can go to a site like Upwork.com. This has even more probably freelance opportunities. But what you can do is you can create a profile here also, offer the exact same services as you do on Fiverr.com. Go to a few of these sites so you don't just wait on one site there to make your $100 per day, because there might be a few days where nothing is going to happen. So create a few profiles. There is also freelancer.com, people per hour, which is another very popular site. So you can be flexible here regarding the $100 per day there. So there you have it, 5 plus 1, 6 websites to make $100 plus per day in late 2019. Now, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below on how you can make a full-time passive income online, build a real sustainable online business. So make sure you check that out right after I have finished here. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it and it helps a lot. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations, both are mine. Make sure you subscribe to both. Both are related to make money online, work from home opportunities. I upload this on a consistent basis. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.